Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discuss with you how to use Eskiin filtered hard water showerhead. So, you might be wondering what is this showerhead that you may be hearing or seeing online. So, the whole idea here is that regular tap water, especially hard water with chlorine in it, is rough on your skin and hair over time. So, Eskin sticks a multi-stage filter right into the shower head to strip a lot of that stuff out before it actually hits you. Now, the filter is actually pretty loaded here. It's got like 15 different layers working together. Things like KDF55, which pulls out lead, mercury, and other dissolved metals, plus keeps bacteria and algae from growing. Coconut activated carbon grabs chlorine and other impurities. Calcium sulfate specifically targets chlorine and chloramines. Myfan stone and a magnetic energy ball here, ceramic ball, and an alkaline ball here, and a couple of ultrafine filter membranes that catch particles down to about like 0.2 microns. So things like rust, microplastics, and sediment on top of the filtering here. It's also built to boost your water pressure, with the site claiming up to like 2.5 times the stronger pressure than a standard shower head. Now, how do you exactly install it? Well, installing it is generally simple here, and they walk you through it in 3 steps. Now, you would just need to take off your old shower head, twist the Eskiin one on its place, and that's it. No tools needed, and they say it takes under 3 minutes. Everything you need comes in the box. Now, as for the upkeep here, the filler isn't a forever thing. It needs replacing periodically to keep doing its job. And Eskiin sets you up with a subscription option that ships a new filter every 90 days if you want it on autopilot. Now, pricing here depends a bit on which version you pick, whether you go with the subscription plan or the one-time purchase. Now, for example, the wall-mounted starter kit here runs around $149 without the filter subscription, or $115 if you add the filter auto ship. Now, which then bills around like $33 every 90 days for replacement filters going forward. Now, the handheld version here is priced a bit higher here, listed at $169 one time or $139 with a subscription add-on. Either way, you get free shipping here, and it comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee if it's not working out. Now, if you want to learn more about them, you can go and just go to their official website, go to the our story section here, or go to their FAQ page. Now, if you go to the very bottom, you should able to see some form of reviews as well in their website. And also, if you want to learn more, like the privacy policies, and if you want to contact them and ask a few questions about the product, you can also do that in here. But that's about it. So for this video, hopefully hit the like and subscribe button, and watch our next video.